What's up, guys? It's the Dude. Yes, I know I have like a camera backpack, whatever. I found that, I don't know, it was like at the thrift store, so. I found this cool notifier panel and some wheelock speakers. And yeah, now I'm ready to transport them back home. And I'll do the other half of this video back at home. We'll see you there. And we're back. No, not magical teleportation. I actually had the bike back. With this on my back. Hence the backpack line over here. Yeah. So let's go over what I got. We got 3 of these wheelock, I think ET100 or 1010, sorry. Speakers. Technically, I could connect strobes to them, but I don't want to do that. Then we got, let me sit down, a notifier first command NFC 50-/100. And this panel appears mostly complete. I mean, still got the buttons, which actually still work. Which still press down and everything, which is nice. I mean, yeah. It's also got the, oh, why is my camera blurry? Why is my camera blurry? There we go. Nope, it is still. Okay, there we go. Next we got, well, this is part of it, but here's the mic for it. Pretty neat. If I open the panel, as you can see, it doesn't have a main panel board. Warning, electrical hazard, electrical shock hazard. Neat. It's got a lot of these like connectors on it. Well, I know where all the screws are. They're right here on the bottom. So if you guys need any screws, just hit me up. No, I'm just kidding. There's those dip switches? Those look like dip switches. They are indeed not dip switches. I don't know how to wire this thing, so yeah, it's missing some connectors because there's connectors on this side. And there's like a USB integrated port. And another port of some sort, but oh, hey, there's the actual connector for it. Somebody just forgot to put it back in properly. So yeah, that's pretty neat to find. Oh yeah, there's some terminal blocks here. Yeah, pretty neat stuff. I mean, if it still has the mic, which is pretty cool. I like microphones. There we go. Got all the buttons. I like me some buttons. The like actual buttons, not like the ones that you press, not the clip-on ones. Those pin buttons. Those are just boring. Yep. Pretty cool. All call, and yeah. Oh, I am sweaty. It's hot out here today. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. Now, these speakers are in rough shape. As you can see, they're weathered. This one's like yellow almost. And this one is the same. And it has a scratch. Oof. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. I will probably be getting rid of the red panel, but yeah. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.